You have become quite and reserved than before, which is bothering your person a lot. They wish you could send them some messages or call them. But your person knows deep down that this time they have to make the move towards you, because you have already done a lot for them in the past. Thinking about all the love and compassion and your selfless actions bring joy of tears into their eyes. Your person feels like definitely they have done some great deeds in their past life that Divine has blessed them with this unconditional love in this lifetime. Your person misses you a lot. They see you as a kind of woman man who has a power to change the world for better. Because seeing your patience, understanding lever, helping nature and compassion, they feel like in this selfish world these qualities are very rare to find in someone. It's true, dear viewers, your person has grown a tot because of your contribution in their life, in the form of true love, support, guidance, and wisdom.